Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to group text boxes in Google Sheet. Open your Google Sheet. First I'll insert text box. Select this insert option. Now select drawing option and click on this text box option. I'll draw new text box and I'll type here text. Text box fill color I'll change. Also insert new text box. This fill color is this one. Also I'll type here text. Now I'll select these two text boxes, click first one and press Ctrl key from your keyboard and click second one. Now click on this action option and scroll down. Here you will find this group option. Also you can group this. Press Ctrl Alt plus J from your keyboard and group. Now see this. These two text boxes now group. See this group border now showing here. Now simply select save and close. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.